So today we're at the Pickle Inn. This is just a short update on what I've actually been doing with our solar since last year, and I'll put you a description below to the actual video that I did. But basically I've done a few upgrades and I'm just going to let you know how things got on and how things have progressed since then. So I'll take you inside the Pickle Inn. As you'll probably remember, we fit our own solar system to the house back last year, and I'll just give you a quick run round what we've done since. So 3.5 kilowatt hybrid inverter, non-grid tied. So basically solar comes in off the roof, fills these big batteries. We've got pretty much everything on it in the house now. What will happen is, if you get no solar and your batteries get low, this will kick in and put power basically into the system, which will feed the batteries. The upgrade I've done, as you'll probably remember before, how I had two 100 amp hour lithiums. I've got now AGMs, because weight is not a problem down here, not like on a van. These actually weigh 8 stone each. They're 260 amp hour, so I've got 4 of those, which gives me about 12.5 kilowatt hours of power. They're in series and parallel, so that basically gives me 24 volt from the system. I've got power going all the way back up to the house, up the garden. I've got quite a lot of power down here as well. This obviously just powers things around the garden, like lights and what have you. I'll show you what. Oh, here's a new thing. This is a Raspberry Pi. We've programmed this to give us a program called Solar Assist. I'll put that on the screen now. This actually lets you see what's going on. It's all remote connected, so it'll tell me what I'm doing all day long, what I'm pulling, what I've got left in the batteries. It'll also give me graphs of how much power I've been pulling each day, how much kilowatt hours I'm putting in a day. For example, yesterday I put 13.5 kilowatts into the batteries. As you know, they're only 12.5, so but that's including running things all day long. I'll talk about that now. Actually, we'll go back up the top and let you know what else we're doing. So yeah, another upgrade we actually did was just over there on top of the shed roof. I had before 4 540 watt solar panels, but I've now added another 2 onto my son's shed, and he lives over in that direction, and I put another 540 watts on there as well. So we're coming in now at about 3.2 kilowatts of solar power, and with the sun that we're having just lately, it's absolutely a no-brainer. I've got my electric bill down now to around about £1.20 a day. There's still a few things running in the house which you've got to really leave grid tied, but I've got all this lot on it, still the same. All the ponds, filter systems, UVs, air pumps. Got one on that one as well, that's the second one. All the same running off that. All this is on solar. One thing I did fail with was the hot tub. I did say to you I'm going to try and get that on. I'm just never going to do it. I think I'd need like a 5.5 kVA inverter, so it's just going to be a little bit too much. Obviously all the sheds on it, all my laser equipment, laptops, pumps. I've got a chiller in there for the laser. So we have in the kitchen the big fridge freezer on the solar now. Going into our utility, we've got a coffee machine, we've got a double Ninja, we've got a washing machine, dishwasher, dryer. All the sockets in here, apart from that one, are all on solar, or it's a complete separate system. We've got all our USBs, USB-Cs to charge all our vlogging equipment, cameras, phones and what have you. So yeah, that's what's in here. So our next project would be to add all this lot in the corner. So obviously big TV, in there is our DVR, so that's obviously all our security cameras, routers, sound boxes, you name it. So all that's going on it next. There's the log burner. That's been keeping us warm for free all winter. So this is our summer room. Every single socket in here, everywhere, they're all on the solar now. The TV's on the solar, fans on the solar. That's my little grandchild. And the other one. And the big one. And yeah, that's what we've got on the system now. And obviously, not to mention, we've got the car on it now. So yeah, this is plugged straight into the solar system and we're getting some power to the car. Admittedly, it's not a lot, but after 12 o'clock when our main batteries are full, we can basically put the car on and use all the excess energy that it's creating. So that was a short, sort of in brief, report on what we've been up to upgrading the solar system at home, all to save a few quid. And it's definitely done that. It's going to take me another 6 months to really get some figures together to sort of let you know how much I really have saved in perhaps kilowatt hours and the cost. It's a bit difficult because we've had a few increases since installing it, so it's very difficult to see exactly how much we've saved. So until next time, everybody, I hope you like what you've seen. Please give us a like, a thumbs up, and if you feel like wanting to subscribe to our channel, do so and hit the notification bell, and you'll see any more future vlogs. So next time, bye.